Hello, hello Aquarius Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for June 1 to June 8. So Aquarius, kunin mo lang yung mga ka-resonate ka ha and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Aquarius yun. Kaya relax ka lang, enjoy our reading. And use your intuition para makuha mo yung akmang messages na kalob sa iyo ng ating spirit guide sa iyong reading for today. So Aquarius, thank you again for all of your donations. Saka po sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness. Saka po sa inyong suporta every time na meron po tayong reading for Aquarius. Thank you again for not skipping the ads. So Aquarius, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong June 1 to 8? Inhale. And exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Two of Pentacles. In the area of what you want, you have the Three of Wands. Beautiful, beautiful. In the area of what you need, you have the Knight of Swords. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Lovely, lovely, beautiful. In the area of your near future, meron kang Knight of Cups. Dalawang Knights. Beautiful. In the area of your challenge this week, Aquarius, interesting, you have the Devil card. In the area of your fortune, meron kang Queen of Pentacles. Beautiful. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang Seven of Pentacles. At ang outcome mo this week, Aquarius, meron kang wow, Nine of Wands. Beautiful. Meron kang makukuha because of your hard work, because of your sipag and tiyaga. Congratulations. Pag-usapan natin in detail mode ang mga yan, kada isang card. But first, at the bottom of your deck, you have the Three of Pentacles. Ngayong linggong ito, Aquarius, sinasabi ng spirit guides mo na kailangan mo daw makipag-cooperate with other people. I'm seeing you collaborating, cooperation, whether sa group mo yan or sa workmates mo or sa family members mo na kailangan ng effort mo ng parang equal parts, parang kailangan daw this time around ipamalas mo din yung kakayanan mo. I'm feeling and I'm hearing you need to stand out, Aquarius. You need to stand out and come up with a better option na makakatulong sa grupo mo. Parang ngayon na pagkakataon, bibigyan ka ng chance to really find a better way para makakontribute ka sa, I don't know, parang meron kasi kayong pinagdadaanan o problema sa certain group o certain work area na ikaw mismo yung makakahanap ka ng tamang solusyon. I don't know why, parang huwag ka daw matakot magsalita, huwag ka daw matakot magbigay ng opinion o magbigay ng idea because something na may isip mo this week is valuable enough para makatulong sa inyo, sa grupo ninyo, sa pamilya mo, or if you're working with a certain group of people. Nakita ko yan. But for some, nakita ko there will be a reward coming to you this week. A reward because someone saw your value, someone saw your effort and your hard work, especially with the Nine of Wands presence here, na parang meron ka mga bagay na may ipapamalas mo this week sa iyong trabaho o sa iyong grupo, nakikilalanin ka. And you will get the recognition that you deserve. I'm seeing you na parang someone, tinitingala ka, someone or other people in your group is giving you parang reward for your endeavor this time. Nakita ko rin dito na parang ngayon kakaroon ka ng lakas na loob na ilaban yung mga bagay na ideas na nabuo mo. Ang ngayon parang walang alinlangan from your part because nakita mo yung avenue or nakita mo yung right timing to tell kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong ibigay o gusto mong isuggest, ganyan. So ngayon, parang kakaroon ka ng malaking opportunity na ikaw yung mag-stand out, ikaw yung umibabaw, ikaw yung makita nilang the best candidate for a certain job or a certain task. Ngayon, parang it's time for you to shine. Yan yung tagline for you this week, Aquarius. It's time for you to shine. So, i-grab mo yung opportunity. Huwag ka matakot and gawin mo yung makakaya mo because ito yung pagkakataon para ma-recognize yung iyong kakayanan this week. Okay? Time to shine, Aquarius. So pag-usapan natin ang iyong spread this week, ilan ang your major arcana? You only have one, which is very, very interesting at this moment in your life. You have the Devil card here, lingering also in your challenge this week. So sinasabi rin ng iyong spirit guides, Aquarius, na huwag kang matakot, itry ang mga bagay sa buhay mo. Maybe because you are afraid to try dahil meron ka ng pinagdaanan in the past na medyo traumatic, na medyo mahirap, na parang pinipigilan ka ng mga traumatic experiences na yun na parang i-boost ang sarili mo in your best potential. Nakita ko rin dito na baka marami ka rin tao sa paligid mo na very toxic, pinipigilan ka na umabante, o kaya hinaharangan ka para makuha mo yung goal mo. For some, nakita ko rin na baka may bisyo ka ngayon, Aquarius, baka gimmick ka ng gimmick, o kaya tanghali ka magising, meron ka mga habits or mga mannerisms or mga ginagawa sa buhay mo na nagpapabagal sa'yo para maabot mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo. So, ito yung pagkakataon for you na linisin ang buhay mo this week, Aquarius. Ano yung mga mali? Maling relasyon, maling approach, maling plano, maling habits, maling bisyo na ginagawa mo o kaya mga bagay na kailangan baguhin in order for you to achieve your full potential. Time mo ngayon to shine. So, kailangan talaga busisiin mo tong mabuti. Okay? So, pag-usapan na natin ang iyong spread at the center. You have the Two of Pentacles here. At your core, at your center element. Ang nakita ko dito na ngayon, ito try mong balansehin ang lahat. Balansehin ang buhay mo. Ngayon, parang kailangan mo rin daw ng choices eh. A choice in order for you to get the balance of everything. Parang kailangan tanggalin ito, tanggalin yon. Wag nang bigyan ng buhay itong isang ito because nagpapahirap pala itong mga element ito sa buhay mo. Bigyan mo marirealize yan this week that things are not working out because you're focusing too much on a mababaw na bagay o mga bagay na parang halimbawa, you're focusing too much on cellphone or social media na mapapansin mo pag uwi mo sa gabi, you're focusing on your cellphone for more than 5 hours imbis na magpahinga ka. Imbes na ilaan mo na lang yun sa valuable things, nalaan mo sa pag-cellphone too much, di ba? Kinakain na nun sobrang oras mo. Imbes na pagkagaling sa trabaho, pahinga ka, and then may gagawin ka pa ibang bagay, syempre may mga responsibility pa tayo sa bahay natin, sa buhay natin out of work. So ngayon nawawala tuloy yung balanse sa buhay mo, yung work-life balance, ganyan. So ngayon, sabi ni Spirit Guides, para mag-shine ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin this time around, learn to balance yourself. May mga area sa buhay mo na kailangan mong bitawan, kailangan mong hindi bigyan ng atensyon masyado. And may mga bagay na kailangan laanan mo ng time. I'm seeing someone that you need to create a very systematized schedule. Whether for 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. ito kailangan kong gawin. For lunchtime, ito kailangan kong bunuin. For 5 p.m. ito kailangan nasa bahay na ako, ganyan. For 6 p.m. dapat nakabiyahe na ako, ganyan. For 7 p.m. ito ang time ko with my kids. For 9 p.m. dapat ganito, for 10 dapat tulog na ako, ganyan. So, kailangan systematized ang iyong schedule every day in order for you to give a lot of effort and a lot of valuable time para sa mga bagay na kailangan mo mag-shine, whether sa work or sa area of your negosyo or endeavor na kailangan mo talagang umangat, Aquarius. Hindi ka aangat dito kung halimbawa kung pagod na pagod ka o kaya opos na opos ka or you're very overworked or very tired. So kailangan balanse ang lahat. Hindi pwedeng nakafocus ka lang sa isa o nakafocus ka lang dito. Kailangan balanse, okay? Lahat gamay mo, okay? And nangangailangan to with the Two of Pentacles ng choices. Two of Pentacles is giving you the chance to make a decisive choice. Ano lang dapat ang dapat mong pahalagahan at ang dapat bitawan. Okay? The Two of Pentacles being clarified with the Four of Cups. Yes. In the pursuit of what you want, may mga bagay kang gustong matamasa this week. Whether aumento sa sahod, o kaya landing on a job, o kaya ma-accomplish mo yung tasks na ikaw ang umangat, ikaw ang maging top contender sa ginagawa mo na yan, o makuha mo yung matamis na oo na mga taong gusto mong makipag-negotiate this week. Ito yung mga bagay na inaasam mo because you're very, very much discontent na sa meron ka before. Parang ngayon gusto mo na umabante, gusto mo na mag-level up. So, in order for you to shine and to level up, kailangan mo talaga mamili o kailangan magkaroon ng decisive choice sa kung anong dapat pahalagahan para makuha mo na ito, okay? In the area of what you want, you have the Three of Wands here. Ngayon, ready ka na eh. Ready ka na to conquer something. Meron kang hinihintay. Meron kang hinihintay na good news. I don't know why. Baka hinihintay mo lang yung parang go signal from a boss o go signal from someone na parang, oy Aquarius, ikaw na. Task mo to. Ikaw ang bahala dito. Gawin mo na to. Parang may hinihintay ka lang na go signal para gawin mo na siya. Pero parang ina-anticipate mo na to in the past few weeks, past few days, na parang okay, baka sa akin ipasa ni boss o baka sa akin ipagkatiwala itong trabaho na ito. Ready ka naman eh. But kailangan mo talaga makisama, kailangan makipag-cooperate with a certain group para maipag-contribute mo din yung kakayanan mo. But this time around, nakita ko na aangat ka naman. It's your time to shine, so work hard on it. Be ready to get this. Be ready to put all of your effort para makuha mo ito. And I'm hearing meron ka talagang hinihintay daw na valuable information or a valuable go signal to really dig deep sa gagawin mo this week. Nakita ko dito na you are willing to cooperate, you are willing to sacrifice something para lang matapos na ito at magawa na ito para makaangat ka na, mag-level up ka na. But in the pursuit of this, dapat mo rin daw sabihin sa sarili mo na, okay, ready ako, ibibuhos ko lahat. Wala akong ila-left out for myself because this is my chance. Nakita ko yan. This is your time to shine. This is your chance to level up. Kaya gawin mo ang lahat. Huwag ka basta-basta maghihintay lang o tatayo lang dito and just watch things go. Kailangan maging active player ka rin in the pursuit of this. Okay, Aquarius? The Three of Wands being clarified by the Nine of Wands. O, dalawang beses to bas ang Nine of Wands. 9-9 is all about release. I-release mo yun. I'm hearing release the need to be perfect, Aquarius. Release the need na kailangan perpekto o nakaayon sa super plan yung mga bagay na gagawin mo. Because in the pursuit of acquiring cooperation and collaboration with other people, because this week talaga ramdam ko na you're gonna work with a lot of people. It's either you're gonna be the mentor o kailangan ikaw yung mag-present ng presentation o kaya ikaw kailangan manguna o be the leader of a certain group para matapos yung task or assignment. Kaya para ang laki-laki ng responsibility mo this week. Pero sabi ng spirit guides mo with the prominence and effect of 9-9 here telling you na i-release mo yung need of control. I-release mo yung need to be perfect this time. Okay lang yan. There are things na dating sa'yo this week na kailangan mong panghawakan, kailangan mong to take that responsibility and gamitin mo daw yung mga napagdaanan mo in the past. Whether dati may nagawa ka na nakapareho nito. So, gamitin mo daw yung mga natutunan mo doon as your tent pole, as your guide, as your gabay, as your checklist. Para yun na magiging tent pole mo and bullet points mo para alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo at yung approach mo this time. Para, okay, nangyari to before, hindi ko na gagawin to this time para hindi maulit. O kaya, nagkaroon na ng gulo dati with other groupmates. Ngayon, alam mo na yung approach mo para hindi ulit sila magkagulo ganyan. Para mag-come up kayo with a very solid outcome and solid product para mas mabilis at mas efficient. Okay? You are very experienced na Aquarius. You know now, alam mo na yung drill, Aquarius, this time. You've gone to this area of your life noon pa. Kaya ngayon alam mo na kung anong gagawin. Kaya wag ka na manghinayang, wag ka na mahirapan, and wag mo din pagudahan yung proseso kasi naranasan mo na to before. Alam mo na yung gagawin. Kaya go, fight, so good. Step forward, take action because you know what to do. Okay? In the area of what you need, you have the Knight of Swords. Nakita ko dito na laban, so good. Ito daw ang kailangan mo, Aquarius. Huwag mo daw pigilan ng sarili mo na abutin yung mga bagay na dapat mong abutin. Parang ngayon, huwag mo daw sayangin ang oras. Because the Knight of Swords is someone who really fights, thinking on your toes, thinking on your feet. Parang ito yung pagkakataon na be spontaneous daw, Aquarius. Don't over-prepare. That's what I'm hearing. Don't over-analyze things. Minsan, learn as you go din minsan. And have that vigorous energy na parang kailangan enjoy things as you go. Hindi kailangan perfect. Hindi kailangan na parang on the dot mangyari yung dapat mangyari. This is a collaboration, Aquarius. Collaboration ito, working with other people. So, your plan doesn't go always, all the time, especially with other people's ideas and expectation din. So, merong idea itong taong ito, may idea itong taong ito. Minsan, kailangan mong tanggapin yon. Kailangan mo i-add yun sa plano mo. So, things change for the better. So, may mga mold kang ginawa. So, medyo asahan mo na magbabago yan. So, sometimes you just need to go with the flow and act as you go. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-over-prepare. So, good, laban, enjoy the process. Okay? The Knight of Swords being clarified by the Four of Wands. Yes, celebration. I'm hearing na in the pursuit din daw ng mga bagay na gusto mong abutin because Four of Wands all about meeting that deadline, going to the finish line, meeting the threshold, going to the destination, leveling up, ma-meet mo yung post na kailangan mo maabot. So, kailangan daw talagang sumugod at lumaban ka at huwag ka huminto. And nakikita ko talaga dito na celebrate, enjoy. I'm hearing kasi parang very nabigat yung responsibility at yung pressure with other people, especially in this group na para magawa mo yung tama, makapag-contribute ka ng tama, masabi mo yung right ideas, mahabi nyo na maayos yung inyong ginagawa. So ngayon, parang sinasabi ng spirit guides mo na you have to really be active, wag palagpasin, wag Huwag kang maging kampante din. And also, just do as you go. Parang ito yung nangangailangan ng active participation in your part. And celebrate every small wins. Ngayon parang sinasabi talaga ng spirit guides mo, yung element ito naramdaman ko, have fun, Aquarius. Have fun in the process. Don't be too serious and don't be too perfect sa ginagawa mo. There's a lot, give space daw for imperfection. Give space for a lot of time para buuin o i-redirect yung mga bagay para mas mabuo nyo yung right outcome. Okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Ngayon, ito ang nakaka-apekto dito. Kaya handa kang balansehin ang lahat o mamili ng karapat-dapat para umandar ang lahat because nakita mo kung gaano kahalaga itong binubuo ninyo. With the Ace of Pentacles here telling you na ganon ka-valuable o ganon kahalaga itong bagay na binubuo mo with a certain group. At handa kang piliin kung ano yung mahalaga. Handa kang sumayaw sa balanse ng buhay mo this week. I know you're gonna be very, very busy pero handa kang isakripisyo ang isang bagay o handa kang maglaan ng maraming oras para panghawakan yung maraming mong responsibilidad this week. Because I'm seeing you leveling up. I'm seeing you gaining a position better than before, kaya handa kayo. Pero alam mo kasi na kapag napagtagumpayan mo itong project na ito, itong ginagawa ninyo, it is a parang another chance for you to level up sa trabaho, magkaroon ng aumento o kaya higher position o mapansin ka o mag-shine ka talaga. Moment for you to really shine sa trabaho mo o sa endeavor nyo o sa grupo ninyo. And ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng susi. This susi is your entryway, parang ticket mo to a bigger goal. Kaya kailangan I'm hearing, kailangan mapagtagumpayan mo to because alam mo kung gaano kahalaga ito. Ito yung magbubukas sa'yo ng another door, Aquarius, okay? The Ace of Pentacles being clarified by the King of Swords. Yes, ngayon kailangan talaga matalino ka sa decision mo. Great tactic, great strategy. Ngayon, kailangan mabusisi ka. Ngayon nakita ko na kailangan gamay mo ang lahat. Troubleshooting, kailangan talaga ikaw yung leader this time. Tinatawag ka ng yung spirit guides to be the leader of your life this time. Maraming mga tao nakadepende sa'yo. And your decision matters, your ideas matter. Kaya ngayon talaga kailangan panghawakan mo yung matalinong strategy. It requires you to be analytical, to be logical. I-detach mo rin sarili mo sa emosyon, Aquarius, this week. Huwag mong panghawakan na parang pinapersonal ka o kaya masyadong mataas ang emosyon. Ngayon, parang lagi isip ang pairalin para makuha mo yung right amount and also yung valuable outcome na gusto mo dito. At nakita ko talaga this week or itong mapagtatagumpayan mong outcome is your susi to a bigger goal. Okay? Congratulations. In the area of your near future, ito maganda. Napakaganda to, pakinggan mo. Kapag napagtagumpayan mo itong grupo na ito, itong time to shine mo, kapag ito nagawa mo ng maayos, nailaban mo, naging balanse ang buhay, inilaban mo yung gagawin mo, you take action and you learned a lot from your past. Kapag sumugod ka, tag-enjoy ka in the commitment of something na gusto mong buuin at nakita mo yung value nito na talagang kailangan ko itong buhisiin, kailangan ko itong gandahan, kailangan ko ilat ng effort ko dito, and you're very, very analytical and smart, nakita ko dito in the near future, you will get a brand new offer. Whether from your boss, na bibigyan ka na ng mataas na aumento o mataas na posisyon, or someone in the competing company seeing your value at o-offeran ka ng malaking sweldo, o-offeran ka ng mas malaking posisyon, an offer for you na talaga namang na-accumulate mo. Kasi pinaghirapan mo ito with the presence of dalawang 9 of Wands here. Talagang napakita mo yung effort and time and na-prove mo yung value mo sa trabaho nga ito. You will get a brand new offer in the near future. A better job, a better opportunity na babago sa buhay mo. And talagang katabi niyo, yung offer na ito magbibigay sa iyo ng resources. Katabi niyo yung fortune. At yung fortune, pinapakita dito na magkakaroon ka na mas malaking pera, na makakaipon ka na, at ma-provide mo yung pangangailangan for your family. So, antabayanan mo tong offer na to that will change your life. Okay? Kaperahan ito. This will give you the stability and resources enough for your family and into your new future. Okay? The Knight of Cups being clarified by the Four of Swords. Yes. This offer, parang ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng relaxation. Parang hindi ka na ganun ka worried about your money, worried about the stability of your trabaho. Parang ito yung magpapasolidify itong offer na to na parang ito yung magiging trabaho ko for the next 10 years. Hindi na ako matatakot for kung anong mangyayari sa akin next year, kung may trabaho pa ba ako. Parang ito yung solid job na parang regular ka na and you are daw really naka-root ka na sa trabahong yun at di ka na matatakot na baka mawalan ka ng trabaho o mawalan ka ng sweldo o mawalan ka ng pera. I'm seeing someone also na kung hindi man ito yung trabaho, baka negosyo, ngayon magkakaroon ka ng magandang offer of a business partnership. Ito yung magbibigay sa'yo na solid na talagang pagkakakitaan for the next years. And talagang solidified ito with the Queen of Pentacles here, telling you na magkakaroon ka ng enough blessing na magiging resources mo for a very long time. So, nakita ko rin dito na this offer is an answered prayer with the Four of Swords here. Parang matagal mo tong minanifest, matagal mo tong dinasal na makuha mo this week. And ito na siya, in the near future, the prayers have been answered. An offer will come to you talaga namang swak na swak sa'yo at matagal mo tong dinasal. Congratulations, Aquarius. In the area of your challenge this week, Aquarius, meron kang Devil card. Like I've said kanina, ito yung prominenteng card sa'yo. Ito lang ang nag-iisang major arcana sa cards mo this week. Meaning, malaking epekto sa'yo yung mga tao, mga bagay o maling paniniwala sa buhay mo na pipigil sa'yo na makuha yung mga gusto mo this week. Ito yung haharang. Probably in the cooperation or collaboration with a group, whether panghinaan ka ng loob kasi isipin mo baka mali yung idea ko, baka mali yung plano ko, baka wag na lang ako magsalita, baka mali pala ito. Panghinaan ka tuloy ng loob. Hindi mo tuloy may papamalas yung kakayanan mo. Hindi ka tuloy mag-stand out. So, make sure na ibaba mo yung pride, ibaba mo yung takot, ibaba mo yung mga self-limiting thoughts. If other people are pulling you down, dapat malagpasan mo ito bilang challenge mo this week. Pagkatiwalaan mo yung skills mo, have self-confidence, self-trust, that you have what it takes para maging leader ka ng grupo na ito at mapamalas mo yung kakayanan mo, okay? Kailangan mo itong lagpasan this week, okay? The Devil card's being clarified by the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, work on this, Aquarius. Kailangan mo daw talong lagpasan, especially in the work area. Meaning, meron mga tao, sitwasyon, o mga bagay talaga na mali. So, kailangan mo i-recognize yung mga maling yon at putulin mo sila. Parang kailangan mo talagang linisin lahat para lumago na yung skills mo o mabante ka na at mag-develop into something beautiful and something fruitful. For a longest time daw, parang hinahayaan mo lang na maliitin ka o hinahayaan mo lang na sila na mag-stand out, sila na ang maging bida. Ikaw naman nasa background ka lang because ayaw mo din ng growth. That's what I'm hearing. You're afraid to step forward because you're afraid to take the risk. Because iniisip mo baka mag-fail ka, iniisip mo baka pagtawanan ka o baka ikaw lang ang nakakakita ng potential mo. Because may nangyari sa'yo in the past na parang yun yung nangyari, yun yung bunga. And very traumatic yun para sa'yo. Kaya paulit-ulit na nangyayari yung cycle because naka-apekto pa rin yung nangyari sa'yo before. So ngayon, in order for you to stand out and have a better quality pagdating sa trabaho mo, kailangan i-eliminate mo yung mga self-limiting thoughts, mga maling paniniwala, maling habits, kailangan lagpasan mo yung mga taong humaharang sa'yo. Okay? In the area of in your fortune this week, ito maganda, I'm hearing talaga na once sa daanan mo ito, magkakaroon ka ng enough resources this week, Aquarius. Enough resources, pambayad sa bills, pambayad sa ganito, pang-ipon, magkakaroon ka ng blessing this week na parang kailangan mo daw tutukan yun, alagaan, payabungin, i-nurture kasi magagamit mo daw siya para lumago sa buhay mo at pakinabangan mo siya for a very long time. Halimbawa, may magbibigay sa'yo ng pera ngayon o kaya magbabayad ng utang. So yung perang yun, wag mo lang siyang basta gastahin o gastusin. Parang gamitin mo siya matalino this time. Kasi nakita ko dito as in the area of your fortune, magagamit mo daw yung perang yun ng malaki. Whether i-invest mo siya for a certain endeavor o kaya gamitin mo siya for a negosyo, a sideline, kahit barbecuehan o kaya ihawan, ganyan. Para makapakinabangan mo ang pera na ito, mapapalago mo siya, matudoble mo siya for the years or months or days to come. Nakita ko dito din na parang merong offer sa'yo of opportunity. At yun ang magagamit mo na kaperahan na pangmatagalan. So ngayon, maging matalino ka daw, Aquarius, gamitin mo yung pera sa tamang paraan. Okay? Queen of Pentacles being clarified by the Six of Wands. Yes, magiging successful ka dito. Victory card is a Six of Wands. So nakita ko dito na this pera na darating sa'yo this week, talaga magagamit mo to na magiging successful ka. Whether magsisimula ka nga na bagong trabaho o kaya bagong pagkakakitaan, negosyo, sideline. I'm seeing someone para mag-start ka ng online business mo. Either mag-try ka mag-sell ng mga damit o mga beauty products. Parang doon ka mag-try sa TikTok, parang commission-based, something like that. So ngayon, parang unti-unti kang babangon with this bagong pagkakakitaan. Magiging busy ka rin dito. Tingnan mo, nakafocus lang siya doon sa pentacle, nakafocus lang siya doon sa blessing at inahanap niya lahat o ina-exert niya lahat ng effort niya para mapadami itong blessing na to at lumago sa buhay niya. And this will give you so much success, Aquarius. Okay? So congratulations. Kung ano man yung darating sa iyong kaperahan this week, whether may magbabayad ng utang, may magpapahiram sa'yo, o kaya may darating na sa iyong sweldo from a past job o mga backlog na pera na ngayon lang darating, gamitin mo daw yung pera na yun na pakipakinabang para mapalago mo and you'll be very, very victorious dito. Okay? Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, ito ang payo sa iyo ng spirit guides mo, always try to focus on your job more than anything else. Nakita ko dito na parang lagi mong busisiin yung plano. Hindi pwedeng lagi nakatingin ka lang bukas, hindi mo naasikasuhin. Be consistent daw, Aquarius, sa yung mga ginagawa ngayong linggong ito. Parang dapat daw nakatutok ka in a sense na baka kasi meron ka makaligtaang area or small detail na baka hindi mo napapansin because you're very, very busy with a lot of things. Ngayon, sabi ni Spirit Guides, kailangan nakatutok ka dito. Baka kasi may mga hindi ka pa napapansin. And dapat daw, huwag mo daw laging isipin na, ay, yung kabilang grupo, ay, yung taong to, ang galing-galing naman niya. Huwag mo daw i-compare yung development o resulta o yung pag-level up mo. Parang this time around, your timeline is your timeline. Hindi pwede lagi nakatutok ka o binabase mo yung growth mo sa growth ng iba. Halimbawa, ikaw may inaasikaso ko ngayon. And then, yung katrabaho mo, ang galing-galing naman niya, nagawa niya agad at tapos niya agad. Minsan, huwag mo i-compare yung chapter 2 mo sa chapter 25 ng iba. Your growth is on your own and you're gonna bloom at the right time in God's perfect time, okay? Ngayon, makontento ka sa nangyayari. Enjoy every development, every result, and you will get the fruit of your labor at the right time, okay? The 7 of Pentacles being clarified by the 2 of Pentacles, yes. Ngayon, paratilihin mo ang balanse mo habang ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na pinagsumikapan mo. Hindi pwedeng atat na atat ka o na-frustrate ka halimbawang wala ka nakikitang development o wala ka nakikitang result. The development and result will come to you at the right time. Siguro ngayon, at the face value, hindi mo makita. Siguro naiinip ka na din. Pero hayaan mo lang. It will come to you at the right moment na God wants you to have it. Okay? And ngayon, paratilihin mo lang yung balanse ng buhay. Hindi pwedeng bantay sarado ka o hindi pwedeng kada abante o kada effort mo ay umaasa ka kaagad ng magandang resulta. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kailangan gamay-gamay lang. Hindi pwedeng frustrate ka sa buhay. Kailangan work. Kung yung work na yan, okay, dyan muna yan. Pahinga muna ako, pamilya. Pagkatapos ng pamilya, sarili. So, kailangan balanse ang buhay lahat. Balanse sa lahat. Hindi pwedeng na-frustrate ka o abang na abang ka na parang dapat nakukuha mo agad lahat. You should understand that everything comes on the right process. Okay, Aquarius? Ang yung outcome na napakaganda pag-usapan natin later. But first, let's have additional messages from the Divine. Ano yung mga karagdagang mensahe nila na gusto nilang malaman mo this week, okay? First, you have marriage. Wow! Pwede ring marriage, particularly contracts, marriage of ideas, marriage of tasks, marriage of collaboration, cooperation. Hindi to lagi nangangahulugang kasal. Baka meron kasi sa inyo kasal na o kaya hindi naman gusto ng kasal. Pero ang sinasabi dito, combination and contracts. Okay? Cooperation, collaboration, union. Okay? Another message, you have weeping willow, family sorrow. Meron siguro sa inyo ng problema sa pamilya ngayon. Daanan mo lang and don't escape the emotion. Ito yung pagkakataon na parang harapin ang katotohanan, especially in the family matters. Okay, Aquarius? Another message, you have ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. Meron to tao sa buhay mo ngayon na very aggressive, matigas ang ulo, at nilalaban niya yung gusto niya kahit mali naman. Probably, ito yung sa mga kagrupo mo or area of cooperation with the groupmates, workmates, family na sobrang tigas ng ulo at hindi siya tumatanggap ng criticism. So ngayon, kailangan mo daw tiyagaan din yan. Whale, great worry over nothing. O namamroblema ka daw sa isang bagay na hindi naman ganun ka-importante o wala namang patutunguhan. So make sure, Aquarius, na huwag mong problemahin. Huwag ka rin mag-overthink about something na hindi mahalaga. Okay? Another message, you have flag. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Ito ang panahon na huwag ka daw mag-give in sa isang bagay na parang you're gonna settle for less. No, don't settle for less, okay? Another message you have Throne, position of authority. Now, like I've said, leadership mode ka ngayon. Kaya laki ng responsibility mo, parang laki ng kaatang sa'yo. Kaya ngayon, meron ka daw position of authority. Ikaw ang magdesisyon, ikaw ang kikilos, ikaw ang magiging leader niyan. Okay? Another message, you have Lily, spiritual love. O meron daw someone in your life na namayapa na and they are giving you the support and spiritual love. Supportado ka ng iyong ancestors. Another message, you have vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. Ngayon ang problema ka because workmates, work group na talaga namang sobrang pahirap sa'yo. Ano? Another message, you have firecracker, excitement. May exciting daw na mangyari sa'yo this week. Congratulations. Another message, you have flute, disappointment in a friend or a lover. Meron talagang tao talagang matigas ang ulo. Disappointed ka with a lot of people in your life this week. Okay? Itong air na lang pag-focus on this week. Aquarius, you have gratitude. I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents. So ngayon, be grateful, be happy, maging masaya ka sa mga bagay. Don't always think na mahirap, don't always think na problema ito. Be grateful, okay? Ang yung outcome this week, Aquarius, you have the 9 of Wands. Ngayon, ipamalas mo, push pa, kaya mo to, ilaban mo to because you're getting the fruit of your labor. Huwag ka susuko, laban lang kahit nahihirapan, kahit napapagod. Be consistent in what you want because the fruit of your labor is coming to you. Makisama ka, time to shine, and you will get the better result na akala mo ito yung resulta pero mas higit pa pala doon na makukuha mo, okay? The 9 of Wands being clarified by the High Priestess, pagkatiwalaan ng sarili, you have the enough potential. Si High Priestess kasi wala siyang bubong. Ibig sabihin, the sky is the limit. Kumbaga, kaya mong abutin ang kaya mong abutin and huwag mong papapigil ka. O huwag kang papapigil sa mga bagay na gusto mong maabot this time around. You can achieve it. You can do it. Pagkatiwalaan mo ang sarili mo, trust your intuition, trust your talent and skills, and you will get it. Basta i-push lang, huwag ka hihinto, and you will get the beautiful result na gusto mo sa buhay mo this week. Okay, Aquarius? That is your June 1 to 8 reading. Sa po kayo naka-resonate, sa po kayo naka-relate, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.